Hey, it's Big Elvis with you. I know I haven't done a opener for a while. We've been doing some car shows and such. But I figured today we're going to do the Thrill Climber series. This is the Hot Wheel Premium Thrill Climbers. So there you have the cars. We'll just get right into it and get the first one out, which is the Subaru Impreza WRX. In the yellow, great card art on that card. Let's crack her and get her open and see what we have here on a beautiful Tuesday morning. There we go. We got like a little paint or something there on the a little paint flake on the wheel. So we'll have to see if we have some paint missing. But multi-spoke wheels. Sonic on the license plate. Wing is part of the casting, which I like, instead of those separate plastic pieces. Got a little detailing inside. It's kind of hard to see, but nice heavy car. And it looks like kind of hard to see that, but it is. It's got actual headlights in this one. I'm sure part of that plastic glass. See the body come up behind it. Great looking piece, actually. Looks like the grill is part of the thing too. This is pretty cool. So all yellow bottom. Let's see if we can see some detail here on the bottom. So it looks like a 2017 casting. So this has been out a while. Pretty neat. I do like the wheels on that one. Don't know if you'll see them very much against that back there, but there we go. We'll zoom in just a little. Get it turning. So there's number one of the series. Number two is that Porsche. So here's the card art on it. Pretty nice. Porsche 914 of the Safari version. Just pretty cool. I like when they do the different stuff. I was doing a lot of the Porsches in the past. We got so much stuff out here. But in the premium, oh yes, you can see a lot more detail. I see that roll cage going through into the hood to the body. Got the light there on top, the gas tanks, extra fuel. There she is, Porsche 914. I don't know what you would call those wheels, but that is pretty tough. There you go, across the back. You can see the spare tire in there. The full roll cage. And let's get her up here. So this is a 2020 casting. 914 Safari. Got the big skid plate there. Oh yeah. Didn't do a bad job on that. I really actually like that one. So we'll put him down here. Let the Porsche spin a little. Our next casting is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 6, done up in a racing style livery. So let's crack her and see what she looks like. Whoa, the Porsche's already ready to go on safari. We'll put him down here. And take a look at this Lancer. Pretty neat. They have really cleaned up their tampos. Still a little dot matrixy, but not near as bad as they were. Good graphics across the front. You can see the vents are real on this one as well. See inside a little better on this one if I can get some of that light. Get some of that light back. Got the tampos across the top. Take that all in. There you go across the back. Now the Lancer does have the plastic wing that comes out, part of the pieces. It looks like there's going to be several pieces if you take it apart, but very cool. So there we have it. So this is a 2020 casting. Pretty nice. Of course, we'll ask what's your favorite at the end, like we always do. Here's this, and this one is the Lancia Delta. And I do like these cars. A lot of people don't. A lot of these Lancias were actual rally style cars. So there you have that, the solid wheels. Across the back, you can see the exhaust, really nicely done. And it looks to be its own separate piece. Got that big rally strap going across the back there. Lancia. Yes. Up front with the Pirelli tire markings. And we have 2026. So a new casting right here. The Lancia Delta. Oh yeah. Move it back a little bit. Get him parked up there. And then last but not least, if you want to see it, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. But this one, the Mercedes AMG 300 SEL 6.8 AMG. Love it. Done all in the black. Set up for rally. Thrill climbers. All in the black with the black 5 spokes. Yes, they even done the windshield wiper. Oh yeah, I like this. I really like this. She's gonna leave fingerprints, I know, but oh yes, I like it a lot. Done up in the all black. It's a 2020 Mercedes-Benz 300. And it's been out for a while, but I like the casting with the done all blacked out like that. Lights all up front, ready to go on the rally. Tough car. Tough car. Let it spin just a minute. And again, I apologize for not putting as much out as I can, but we've been really busy. Of course, some of you know that, I lost my job, so I've been trying to get other work and do stuff. Keep this going. Hey, by the way, if you would like one of these decals, this one's kind of scratched up, but I got some fresh ones. If you would like a decal, send me an email. I'll have my email in the link below, and we'll get you a decal sent out. So there you have it, the 5-car Thrill Climber set. Which is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Like they say, beep bloop it down there. Do you like that Subaru? Do you like the Porsche, the Mitsubishi, the Lancia, or the Mercedes? I think the Mercedes and the Porsche is probably my favorites. You let me know. Big Elvis Diecast review. We're going to get out. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care of each other out there.